G'day viewers, RR Trucks here with the MAN TGL 12250. This truck is a 12-tonne, 250 horsepower machine with a 23-foot steel tray custom built for a local customer. A Whitlock bull bar up front for protection, a fridge to keep your beverages cool. A 12-speed automatic transmission, long-range tanks, tow bar, toolboxes and water tank are all extras thrown at this beauty. Come in and talk to the team at RR Trucks on 105 Gunnedah Road about your trucking solutions. RR, twice as good.